Hello, beautiful people. Have you ever wondered how profoundly your life could change if you truly lived by wisdom passed down through generations? These 10 proverbs from the Bible haven't just been a source of inspiration for me, they've become practical guides that helped me make better choices, safeguard my peace, and foster deep inner transformations. This video aims to show you how these timeless truths can help you navigate the world with new perspective. I genuinely try to live by these because they are more than just verses, they are living truth for our daily walk. It's incredible how much guidance for life is packed into the Book of Proverbs. So, let's get into these gems.
Our first proverb is Proverbs 4, verse 7. Wisdom is the principal thing, therefore get wisdom, and in all you're getting, get understanding. This proverb reminds us that life experience alone isn't enough. Wisdom must be intentionally pursued. Take, for example, a young adult trying to navigate life after school. They've got a degree, a job offer, and ambition. But without wise counsel on finances, relationships, or priorities, they may still struggle. It's not just what you know, but how you understand and apply it. That's the difference wisdom makes. Moving to our second proverb from Proverbs 15, verse 1, a gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. This speaks directly to how we communicate. Imagine two co-workers disagreeing during a meeting. One raises their voice, clearly frustrated. The other responds calmly and respectfully. The tension breaks. That's the power of gentleness. It can de-escalate even the most charged situations. In marriages, customer service, or parenting, choosing a soft answer can preserve peace. Proverb number 3, Proverbs 13, verse 20. He who walks with wise men will be wise, but the companion of fools will suffer harm. Who you surround yourself with shapes who you become. Picture a teenager who starts hanging out with friends who are motivated, respectful, and focused on their future. Naturally, their mindset shifts too. On the other hand, time spent with careless or reckless company can derail even the best intentions. Choose relationships that align with growth, purpose, and godly values. Our fourth proverb is Proverbs 16, verse 3. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. This verse is about surrender, about inviting God into your goals from the beginning. Think of someone launching a new business. They've done the market research and built a plan, but before anything else, they take time to pray and commit it to God. Along the way, they find guidance, provision, and peace even when plans shift. That's the beauty of committing our work to the Lord. He aligns it with His will. Proverb number 5, from Proverbs 31, verse 25. She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. This describes a woman whose confidence is rooted in God, not in trends, titles, or perfection. Imagine a mother facing an uncertain season. Maybe job changes, children growing up, or health challenges. But instead of fear, she carries herself with grace. Why? Because she knows God holds her future. She doesn't just survive, she thrives with strength and calm assurance. Next, proverb number 6, Proverbs 3, verses 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will direct your paths. When life is unclear, this verse calls us to trust completely, even when we don't understand. Think of someone relocating to a new city without a clear plan. They feel overwhelmed, but through prayer, patience, and obedience, opportunities open up, new community, new direction. God doesn't always show the full path, but He guides step by step when we trust Him fully. Proverb number 7 comes from Proverbs 17, verse 22. A cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. Joy isn't optional, it's life-giving. Picture someone going through a difficult season, yet they make space for laughter, watching a lighthearted movie, chatting with friends, or reflecting on God's goodness. That joy lifts the heaviness. On the other hand, constant stress and sadness can wear down even a healthy body. Protect your joy. It heals more than you know. On to proverb number 8, Proverbs 10 verse 4. Lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth. Success isn't built in one big moment, it's built in daily faithfulness. Think of a farmer planting seeds. The harvest doesn't come the next day. It takes patience, care, and steady work. In the same way, diligence, whether in your career, your ministry, or your family, brings reward. Even when no one's watching, keep showing up. Proverb number 9 is Proverbs 21, verse 23. Whoever guards his mouth and tongue keeps his soul from troubles. This reminds us that silence can be wisdom. Imagine receiving a rude message or being unfairly criticized. The urge to respond instantly is strong, but pausing, praying, and choosing your words carefully can prevent greater damage. Some battles aren't worth fighting with words. Guarding your tongue protects your peace and your witness. And our final proverb, number 10, is Proverbs 18, verse 16. A man's gift makes room for him and brings him before great men. God has placed unique gifts inside each of us, and when used well, they create opportunities. Think of someone with a talent for writing or encouraging others. As they consistently serve with that gift, maybe through blogs, community service, or teaching, it opens unexpected doors. Speaking engagements, new friendships, influence. Your gift isn't just for you. It's a tool God uses to impact the world around you.
I would genuinely love to hear your thoughts. Which of these proverbs resonated most with you today? Or maybe there's another proverb that has been particularly impactful in your own life. Please share in the comments below. I always enjoy reading them, and I know your insights can bless others in the community too. A quick reminder, there are 31 chapters in the Book of Proverbs, making it a wonderful resource. Read one chapter each day for a month, continually drawing fresh wisdom from God's Word. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps others discover this content. And if you're new here and would like more encouragement from God's Word, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you as part of our channel family. To all my faithful viewers who consistently show up and support this ministry, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your encouragement means the world. May God bless you richly. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.